Hi, we will see in this video how to use the existing bill of equipment structure created in Teamcenter to build 3D plant in NX Line Designer. Open the bill of equipment item in NX to which you want to design the cell. Open the station in a separate window. Open the Reuse Library Navigator. We can use the Manufacturing Resource Library to consume the existing resources stored in Teamcenter. Drag and drop the required resources to the modeling window to add the files. There are out-of-the-box resources provided by Siemens, and we can also use it. In the Plant Navigator, we can see both the resources we have added into the station. If we want to reposition the resources, we can do it. We can use the component connector and maintain the relative distance between the components. This will significantly reduce the time to build the stations. Save the station with the changes that have been made. In the bill of equipment, we can see the structure has been updated with the changes that we made in Line Designer. If you're interested in discovering how Teamcenter configuration can benefit your business, please get in touch, queries@philocs.com. Thanks for watching the video.